Hello everyone. Today I will be talking to you about prenatal development and the influence of nature. I am Elias and this is my colleague Emily.
Hello everyone. Prenatal development is the most rapid and dramatic human development that literally takes place right in the uterus. It is the process in which a human embryo or fetus gestates during pregnancy from fertilization until birth.
Prenatal development is divided into three periods. The germinal stage, approximately the first 2 weeks, the embryonic stage, the 3rd through the 8th weeks, and the fetal stage, the 3rd month until birth.
The germinal stage begins with conception and ends with the implantation of the embryo. This stage is when the egg and sperm unite in the fallopian tube.
The next stage is the embryonic stage. This stage is when the major organs start to differentiate. The eyes, nose, mouth, and ears begin to form during the embryonic stage.
The fetal stage is the last stage of prenatal development. Many things occur in this stage. The fetus's genitals, toes, and neck form. This is the stage where most of the growth happens, as the baby grows from about 1 inch to 19 to 20 inches.
Nature influences each of these stages. We can define nature as the genetic makeup or genetic inheritance.
Fetal development is affected by nature. Genetic information such as the gender, hair color, skin color, and eye color are not affected by nurture, but affected strictly by nature. The environment in which a fetus is in cannot affect things such as this. Pre-existing genetic health conditions can also affect the health of the fetus. These could include sickle cell anemia, diabetes, cystic fibrosis, and Tay-Sachs disease.
During prenatal development, genes and sex hormones are responsible for the physical development of female and male organs. Theorists have the belief that these sex hormones can either masculinize or feminize the brain. This can lead to behaving in conventional feminine and masculine ways. For example, the male sex hormone can be connected with feelings of self-confidence and self-pride. However, it can also be connected to aggressiveness.
Another effect of nature in prenatal development would be the development of twins. There are two different types of twins, monozygotic twins and dizygotic twins. Monozygotic twins are identical twins, and dizygotic are fraternal twins or twins with different genetic codes.
Twins are made by nature, not nurture. For an identical twin to be born, a zygote divides into 2 cells that separate so that each develops into an individual with the same genetic makeup. If a woman produces 2 ova in the same month, which are fertilized by different sperm cells, they actually develop into fraternal twins.
It is also said that if a woman was a twin, if her mother was a twin, or if she was previously born twins, the chances rise that she will bear twins again.
While on the topic of twins, researchers have been studying twins in order to determine the influence of nature on one's personality. Studies have shown that even when twins are raised separately, they still share many common personality traits. This shows that nature has been a great effect on the children. In conclusion, nature is a large part of prenatal development. Although many may argue that nurture has a larger effect, that is incorrect. Because all of these things that we have listed, such as eye color, skin color, genetic diseases, and whether or not your child is a twin, is nature, nurture cannot affect this development.
Thank you everyone for listening to How Nature Affects Prenatal Development. I'm Emily and this is Elias. Thanks for tuning into Channel 5 at 11 o'clock.
Next week, tune in to how nurture affects prenatal development.